Portia, Fat, forgive me. Portia, forgive me. Your family in trouble is to come. Portia, please, forgive me.
Take off your coat.
Pardon?
Take off your coat!
Okay, no problem.
Remove the shirt. Drop the pants.
Oh, you see, I'm elderly person.
Drop the pants.
Okay, no problem. May you cry? I will feel. Come to do that. Come on.
I've never been a violent person, but that felt so good. It made me feel strong. It made me feel power.
You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Nankebe then why you for be irate. Takashina your dinner, I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't know. You for be irate. Nankebe then why you You for be irate. Takashina your dinner, I didn't know. You for be irate. Mama cries, me baba shampoo. You for be irate.
The next day, we decided to watch Openyi's house for any possible activity.
You guys, we've been here for 2 hours now. And no one has even entered or come out of the house yet.
Chill. We have to be absolutely sure there's no one in there before we come back tonight.
Who even lives in a place like this? The houses are wide apart and the place is far away from town.
I know, right? That's one of the reasons I didn't even want to move in the first place.
It's a developing area. Acquiring land is very expensive.
There she goes again. Nanaya, acquiring land anywhere is expensive.
True.
Chill, guys. By this time tomorrow, we won't have any expenses because guess what? We'll be filthy rich.
Don't be so sure.
You guys. Down. Yes. What? That is a pacing. What? That's on your face. That's him.
And who is the child?
I don't even know who she is.
So what do we do now?
We need more info. One of us has to go in there.
You guys obviously know it can't be me. I mean, we've never met, but I'm sure he recognizes his young hot stepmother.
And I can't go either. He saw me at the reading of the will.
What?
I so hate you guys. Okay, fine.
Thank you. What park? For me.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Portia. I live in the house down the road. I saw you come in and I wanted to welcome you to the neighborhood.
Okay, that is nice of you. You're welcome anyway.
Okay. Okay, a little something to say. Akwaba. I promise I got it for you, but some greedy friends I have.
Well, thank you so much, but if you don't mind, you can come in.
Okay. That's if it wouldn't be a bother.
Not at all. Come in, okay?
Okay.
You can have a seat.
Wow. You have a nice home.
Thanks. Would you want to have something to drink?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. I'll be back.
Hi, I'm Portia. And you are?
She is Inshira. She sometimes shouts, but don't be bothered so much, okay? Your drink.
Wow. Ishira, that's a nice name.
Come sit with Auntie, okay? Oh, yeah. Oh.
You have a lovely daughter.
Thanks.
Is she your daughter?
Yes.
Did Daddy do this? I hope you don't mind.
Well, that is you doing us a favor anyway.
Oh.
Just a minute, I'll be with you, okay?
Okay.
Question. How are we supposed to break into the house tonight?
I've been wondering the same thing. We might have to call Muni to help us out.
What? Muni? You know, I was afraid you'd say that. Of all people, Muni. But wait, does it mean we have to cut her in?
No.
Okay.
We'll just tell her we're trying to get some documents. We'll pay her to help us get in. But we can't tell her about the diamonds.
Obviously. Better. That works for me then. I'm in trouble. But wait, what's keeping Posh so long? I'm so in trouble.
Wow! You teach me how to do that. Looking so beautiful.
Well, my mother taught me. I used to do hairs all the time, and that's when we have the best of our conversations.
Wow, then you and her are really close, aren't you?
The closest. Look at you, looking so beautiful.
Sweetheart, why don't you say thank you to Auntie, then go upstairs and take your afternoon nap?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Give me 5. Oh. She's an amazing girl.
I know.
Well, I think she likes you.
Well, if you don't mind me asking, where's her mom?
Her parents were killed by cattle raiders right before her some years ago.
What? But I thought she is...
Adopted. I did some missionary work in the north some years ago. The very moment I saw that girl, all I wanted to do for her was to put smiles in her face. I wanted to protect her from all the cruelties in this world.
Wow, that's nice. Missionary. So then that means you are...
A priest.
Oh, okay. But I thought priests weren't supposed to have kids.
With my case, I had permission from the diocese, and my bishop says I can, so I'm cool. But trust me, it wasn't easy. But I must say that we're going through with it. And inheriting this property from my dad is a huge blessing. And timely too.
Oh, okay, okay. You guys were really close. Yourself and your dad.
We were until somewhere 2005, yeah.
2000, what happened?
I decided to become a priest.
Oh!
It was something about him. I got lost in his presence. In the time I spent with him and Ishira, I didn't think about all the pain and sadness in my own life. They were a welcome distraction.
Good evening, Sister Agnes. Yeah, this is Father here. Oh, we're far. Good. I'm calling to inform you that we won't be coming over tonight. We'll be sleeping over. Oh, we are fine. She's okay. Well, I think she's getting used to the place. She even made a new friend today. Oh, okay. I'll tell him. We'll meet at the mass tomorrow, but okay? Enjoy the evening. You too.
Guys, it's almost 2 a.m. Where the hell is she?
Relax. She's on her way.
See, I don't think taking her along is a good idea.
You just don't like her.
Do you?
No, but at least we need her to get into the house.
What about the diamonds? What if she finds out about it? Oh my God.
Oh no.
Did she set us up?
Relax, we're not doing anything wrong.
What a car. If you give me, I go take.
Jeez. Munu, you scared us.
What the heck? Why are you in the
police uniform? Because nobody messes with the police. And check me out. I look good. Huh? Well, this is what I wear for all my operations all the time. Operations? Yeah. This is not my first robbery.
It's not a robbery, okay? We're just... You know what, let's just go.
Yo. Go to the front seat, let me.
I couldn't help but wonder if we were crossing lines. Right and wrong didn't seem relevant anymore. I felt all my actions were justified. A life was at risk, the most precious life to me. As long as we weren't hurting anyone,
Stay calm.
I was ready to cross a few lines.
Comrade!
Comrade! Hey, comrade! Comrade! Wow. Oh, nice.
All correct.
Oh, all correct, sir. All correct. I take out.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, your patrol. Your brain to my be.
I'll sort it out. Okay?
Okay.
Academy, no bad. Academy. Police Academy, no bad. Wow. Hey, I am left in the oh, sorry. Cousin. Red Cross for me. Never stop. Yeah, teeth. I had no family, so I teeth. I check.
Ahoy!
The guy,
oh.
We're not bombers to try that.
Oh, no, Miss Any Pakro.
Sir. Wow. What kind?
I'm Yamaka.
Huh? Oh, boy. Police in the bar. What kind? Hey, oh, wow. Come on, police in the go off too. Nick off today. Who can?
Anyway, officer, see from saying.
Oh, I'm Corporal John. No, so I'm Corporal John. Together, John and John. I didn't know the same thing.
Anyway, yeah, Fremi, DSP, Francisca, Cordelia, Patricia, Leticia, Felicia, Mensa, me yeah, Juma, El Castle, me South Flagstaff House. Actually, me ride motor K, Eddie President.
Hey! I'll salute you! Yes, sir. Now then, okay, Mr. Maso Bamia. Debbie, oh, you president too. It's in Pacho. Wow. Pacho, what you be?
Actually, me a first rider.
Hey! Another Sato! Hey! For swan and Corbett. Sorry. Yellow is no shown or shabby pa or own finance pay. Saying here and then enter 3 minutes, Bangalore, 6 minutes now. Oh, send a diana or someone else. Come back, come, you have a body train. Police to police. Come.
Let me feel listen to me president Akasania promote mu.
Oh, I know.
But baby I'm dey corner things let me get a pen and paper.
President to India from 10 normal. One year cry like. What's India from Abugi from 10 normal.
I said this is the first time I met who police or munye discipline. I'm going to report you to the headquarters tomorrow.
Report on Uncle Ben this week, midday. Maritime, then my woman, ya bed in Avita, no part, be nyaba, who possess. I say, yes, I done a basic kid to a hole. Taxi drivers, no more bar, no more feature, me and then quizzes.
Ain't you no mobile money saying?
40 Ghana, and I look at the 20th doctor. And I did to see the hand to pure water. Your back is a short of cry.
Money maybe. I am going to speak to the president on your behalf.
Go to Mr. say, make a bit mania or no man, cowbell president sin. Nako jump here for the bill. Not time for bill here felling. A person for them gone. I move here for Papa. I foot to a boy.
Alright, you know what? Fun about Jimmy number. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell the president about you guys. Into me, be you must feel foot to me. Say, would there be an amen cockake? Or China no pa? Either say, Dumba Kwaku Jina. Castle and Nimuana say, Yedumberco Independence Square, roundabout.
Or no man, I began no man.
A private number.
At 1,000,500.
A private number.
Parliament.
Oh, and in the Munko J. Baby, I'm up. I'll speak to the president tomorrow. Make someone needs to say. Yamenamenko.
Yep.
Okay, yeah?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you. I'm behind you. Driver, dude. I'm behind you. Oh, you didn't say a police. Debbie, who didn't say a police? They are who my acquaintance or call. Debbie, we are no robber and I'm fun police. Hey, no, be back. I just see the here to my boo. Obe mami ahe. Obe mami ahe. What's it? Didn't menyako. Hello? Yes, 911 patrol team. Why? There's some robbers in your house. No the car be nearby. Well, you are inside, no you don't see a baby out. Confront about now they share me ID mam. Hello? Hello? Trase. Okay. The boo and his water. The baku hello?
Hold on. I'll come back for you, okay?
is it? I don't know where it is.
I hope we find it before Muni finishes her talk.
You guys know what? Let's check the master's bedroom. We haven't checked there yet.
na matewa, where DSP lie, me do go to me straight to couple to DSP.
I am one was a name. What for name? Woman business.
Ututa couple Jonimo.
A minimobia. Minimobia name movement.
And a metro. Oh, metro. Pekka, oh, the Pekka, oh, my casa, what matter? What you mama macho? Pekka Crama met over them.
Miss Low,
and the Rasta phone now, my banamo, my hot with the Sinaco.
Oh, boss, oh,
Sissiko with the Menanto, Siko, one mess every day.
When you ask me, can be sure be a do. Na, don't move to pa. But I said, one of my cannibal corner. I mean, so much in your door. More feeling. None can be sure be a bear 2,000. I feel no cassa, which is 20 million. But 1 minute panaco. Intimate slow with the Pekka Cramaman from Faka. Na, da, who bet me a chimbium, so to me chimbium dear. No double num dear ma. Mabo, what's up, Mr. Afaka? Sir. Mamento. Minita mamento na me fa nkosi awa timi nya lo efe ma wa ni meja o why.
See, take whatever you want and leave us alone.
Open the door.
Take anything at all and go.
What we want might be in that room.
Who are you people?
It's me.
Portia? Portia, is that you?
Yes. Please, just open the door. We just want to get something. I promise we are not armed. And no one will get hurt. I'm here with Layla, your father's wife. She left something behind. We are here to take it. Please, just open the door.
You are not who I thought you were.
What are you doing? Did you call the police? Why'd you have a gun? Who said no gun? Shut up! Did you call the police?
No. Look, my phone battery is even dead. You can check.
He's telling the truth. Lower your gun.
Are you here alone?
Yes, he's a priest and he lives here alone.
Fine. Don't try to be the savior. Now, can we get what we came for and leave? Guys, I found it.
Okay, good. Enter the code.
What? No. What?
Oh my gosh. All this trouble for nothing.
I thought you said you were sure about the code.
I was. I mean, I am. But why does a rich man like you use such a phone?
3310, that's what it is. I am old school.
3310 was the phone. Shit.
I thought you said he told you the code.
Yes. I put the stuff back in myself.
Try and remember.
There were so many numbers that day. The account notification. The phone.
Try harder.
Try a year. My father used to have special years as his passwords.
Oh my God. He's right, guys. It's a year. It was... What's the code?
Oh, 2 2,000. Anyway, just put it there. I'll return it.
2,000 and what? What's the last number?
5. Try 2005. Yes! Yes, guys! Yes!
Hold on. Hold on. What was that? What was what? What did she just hand over to you?
Guys, we got what we came here for. Let's just...
Hey! Attention! You girls are being sneaky. I thought we were a team.
Yes, we are.
Oh no. The three of you are. Oh, now you're turning your backs on me. You're turning your backs on me. I've seen this before. Bunny.
No.
Bunny! Give it to me!
Give it to me. Hey.
Aha. Ogomosho, give it to me.
It's mine.
Now, Marika, give it to me.
Mommy.
And that's how the story of my life begins.
My man cries, I'm a baby shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't in the mood. You for be irate. Nankabe, then why you here? You for be irate. Takashina, your dinner, I didn't in the mood. You for be irate. My man cries, I'm a baby shampoo. You for be irate. Economics planning, I didn't in the mood.